So we're going to throw the ball from hand to hand. It's much easier if you throw it up, not across, because if you throw it across, you don't have any time in between. You'll see what I mean in a second. Up and over. Get a nice rhythm going there. And then you're going to try and tap your head in between your throw and catch. It doesn't matter which hand, but it must go throw, touch, catch. How's that? Not too difficult? If you think that's nice and easy, you can move on and try and touch your shoulders instead. Now I've crossed my arm over here. For some reason I find that easier, but there's no reason why you can't touch the same shoulder. Ooh. Throw, touch, catch, throw, touch, catch. And once that's going all right, we're going to try knees. It's probably better to lift a knee up than to reach down to it. Throw, touch, catch, throw, touch, catch. And then of course, we've got to try and get our heels. Here we go.